In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, just open your phone dealer and go to keypad if it's not open. And now let me start with the first code, which is *pound, *6485, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And as you can see here, we've got the battery information. So if you'd like to check charging and battery info, just provide this code, and here it is. Let's go back then. Another code is *pound, *426, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here we've got Fcm Diagnostic Mode, where you can check events and also status. If you'll tap on more icon, you will be able to enroll advanced view here. And here you've got it. And that would be all about this code. Another one, I think it's my favorite one, will open the test mode. So just provide the quite long code, that is *pound, *64663, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here you can test your device. So if you experience any issues with, for example, display or receiver, whatever, you can check it here if it's about your application or device itself. So let me check the display. Just click to continue, and red is perfect. Tap to switch it to another one. Click one more time. Blue is also working properly, and tap on OK to complete the test. And now we can check also receiver. So just enter the numbers that you hear and tap on OK. And then if you'll go back, you'll be able to see if it passed or not. This is how you can test your device here. And then another code that you can provide is *pound, *225, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here you've got the calendar info. So if you have any important events, birthdays, celebrations included in any calendars of yours, it will be all included here. So it will store data from Google Calendar, from devices internal storage, for iPhone calendar if it's connected. That's all you need to do, provide this number, and then you'll have the calendar details. And another code that I would like to show you, it's *pound, *4636, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here we've got the testing mode, so you can check phone information for both SIM cards and also Wi-Fi info. And here you will be able to check email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, and so on. A bit lower you will also be able to run a ping test. Just click here, and below you've got the results. If you will tap on more, you will be able to view SIM address book, fixed dialing numbers, service dialing numbers, IMS service status, and enable data connection. So let me go back. And then under Wi-Fi info, you have Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and Wi-Fi status. So if you want to check any of them, smoothly click to open, but also Wi-Fi status allows you to perform a ping test. And that would be all. And the last code that I would like to show you, it's the shortest one. It is *pound, 06 pound. And as you can see, this one will show you the IMEI number and serial number of yours. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.